Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to know who touched your phone. This is a problem many people face, and I have a solution now. It's simple. Just go to Play Store and download this app. So the name of the app is WTMP. WTMP is who touched my phone. So yeah, as you can see, my wallpaper is Italy because it won the Euros for some reason. They are supporting England. So basically the app is called WTMP, who touched my phone. So you get it from Play Store. This is what it looks like. Open it. So this is what it looks like. When you open it, you have to set it up. So you tap settings. Basically tap settings up here. So here you open it. So till the end so to understand each and every step. So you can basically, you can contact the help services here in case you need any problem solved. You can set up authentication and app entry. You put a password so that it's you who has the ability to open it, and you alone. You can limit the number of reports right here. Much other simple self-explanatory stuff. So there's also cloud syncing. I've never used it before though. I don't use it. The theme, there are two themes, dark and light, for developers, like if you want to donate to them. Then the translation. So yeah, after that, so these are reports. I limited my reports to 99 reports. So basically this app can show you who touched your phone by basically taking a picture, so that when someone opens the phone or tablet or laptop, I don't know if it's available on laptop, but I know it's available on phone and tablet. I'm not sure about laptop. So you open it. So once someone opens your phone or tablet, you to take a picture of them and to show the number of apps they opened. Like for example me, I think 16. Boom, at the quota. Tap, look, that's my WhatsApp. I don't know why. Yeah, these are the apps she touched and opened and used for some reason. So yeah, it shows you the picture. The apps used, and yeah, that's basically it. And remember, you can also there's cloud storage, or the cloud syncing option, so that you can save all that stuff. So basically when you open the app, just tap this button here. So once you put it on, it will bring those eyes there. Simple. Yeah. Check out my blog, link down below. If you want to get free internet, just check out my channel. Yeah, some of the good stuff there. Please subscribe, like, comment if you want. Thanks for watching. Peace.